Hey all, welcome to the Conti Surveying Studio. So hope everyone is doing good, having a great time in your career, in your personal life. It's been some time that I've made video on this channel. I was basically traveling. I was not well. A lot of travels happening for the past 4 or 5 weeks. So I was really busy on the weekends, and then I was not well for almost 2 weeks. Viral fevers and all those stuff. So that was the reason why I was not able to make videos. Now, hopefully, everything is fine and I'll start putting contents. Uh, so, hope everyone is having a good time in your career. So now is the appraisal and promotion time. So, hope everyone is having a right kind of appraisals happening, or something that you have expected is happening. Sometimes it might not be happening also. So don't worry, this is just part of the corporate world. It will just go with the flow. Just move on with the flow. Everything will happen fine. This was a video regarding CostX. I've started a small course on CostX in Udemy, and I'll just put the link to that course in the description. You just click on it, you will be taken to the course. So just the basic course. So what is happening right now, I'll tell you. A lot of companies are outsourcing the works that is happening in their counterpart country, like for example mainly UK, Middle East, and the US. These are the main countries. So I'm also part of that department, wherein I am a part of the UK team. That is a company. Our company has projects happening in the UK, and we as a team here are supporting those people who are sitting in the UK team for different pre-contractual tasks. And right now, many companies are implementing this kind of model. Recently, a very famous MNC, which is based in the UK, they've started recruitment. They require around, I think, 30 plus candidates exclusively for this department that they're going to form, which will be supporting the team which is sitting in UK from India. Because in India, the labor is cheap. We have that good technology knowledge, and definitely using that advantage, they can easily be competitive in their country using our help, our support. For example, it is almost double the charge per hour charge what someone who is sitting in UK is charging when compared to someone who is based in India. So that is kind of attracting the different countries based in these UK, US, Middle East to outsource the works from India. And even if you go into an Indian project, you know how the budget is. You will not be paid that heavily. So one way to start getting a good increment in your next jump is to get into a job, such kind of job, an outsourced service kind of role, where you can really get a great, you can ask for a great percentage increase when you join it. And one advantage, that like one thing that you can add to your CV is that you have a knowledge of cost, because most of these MNC companies will be using CostX rather than the AutoCAD or anything else. Only the Indian companies will be using mostly AutoCAD. So if you know CostX, then that would be great advantage for you as a candidate. And other than that, all these standard formats, like the standard method of measurements, like NRM, POMI, SESM4, ARM. If you have the knowledge, well and good. If you don't, Just start going through those documents, read through it, get some sample BOQs made using these standard method of measurements, go through it. You can easily understand how BOQ is structured using these method of measurement, because that is really important while working for these international projects. Um, so that is another way. So yeah, so if you want to learn CostX, the basics of CostX, this course is will be getting on, updated slowly. Lot of new modules will be added. So if you just purchase this one time, even when a new module is added, you need not pay your money again. You can easily access it, the new modules, with the initial payment which you have done. So as I've said, I'll be putting it the description of this. The link for this course in the description. Just click on this and get a feel of how CostX looks, and it's definitely gonna help in your next job search. So thanks a lot for watching this video. More videos are gonna come now. Hopefully, I'm more well now, and the kind of travels will be limited. So because last 2 months were the vacation time, so my daughter was kind of free, so we had to entertain her, or else she would be bored. So now once June start, the schools will be starting, so the traveling will be limited. So hopefully I'll be able to concentrate more on the videos. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and supporting this channel. Take care. Bye.